again, everyone. Don't worry, today isn't like a really serious video, even though I am being filmed by my camera girl, Peppa. No, Zoe is back again controlling the camera. We're gonna be spending 24 hours in my Jeep, my mom's Jeep. It's not my Jeep. I want to say a few things. 1, subscribe. 2, like this video. 3, turn on my notification bell because it notifies you each and every time I make a new video, and you can be like first when you're not first. Like, we still appreciate the comment. And I have a 4th thing, I know, crazy wild. Right now, like, stop this video and go check out my profile on YouNow. It's this really cool new app where you can post stories like Instagram, but it's like way better because they're not on there for like a day or a few hours. They're on there forever. So basically you can tell the app what you like. So for me, I like fashion, dogs, memes, like funny things. So you like fill out this like little survey and click these little cute buttons. And then it gives you like a For You page that's for you. Crazy, right? I know. So let's take a look. See, we got Unusual Memes, Volume 3. I love memes. Sing like Ariana Grande. Ah! Don't need that. Slenderman makeup. Spooky. Spook the House. We got Zootopia. Great film. We got Sabargo. Prank on Dion. So there's many things. You can go follow Seb. You can go follow Dion. You can follow me. Mainly follow me. So make sure you follow my YouNow profile. I have a new story up. It's my first one. It's like a clothing haul. Very like visco Tumblr. Very like girl with like a scrunchie in her hair. Comment on that video. I'm going to be responding to you guys. And yeah, go check it out. Now, let's go die in a car. Over here now. Basically now we gotta pack our bags. 1 bag's for snacks, 1 bag's for clothes. Let's get to work. Wow, we have bananas, we have water. Dana. Hummus. Kanie, you coming? Mom, you wanna come? You wanna come up? Mom, you wanna come? Alright.
Absolutely not like.
I need chips, banana. Only 4 waters. Maybe we should bring 6. 3 each. Oh my god, how are we gonna pee? 6 waters. 2 Quackers. Woo!
I got him.
It's been a good trip. We don't have any blankets.
I got one. I'll go get one.
Okay.
Here you go.
Love you.
Bye. Idiots.
It's 12 o'clock in the morning. Definitely, if not 24 hours, an all-nighter. Let's do it. Georgia! Hello. Oh my god, MTV already? Hi! Welcome to my Visco hangout. Over here is kind of like the artsy girl, but also hungry. We have a bowl of pot noodle. Then we have a notebook that you can color and draw, you know, to pass time. We love that. We have a book. Come over here, we have a cute little Netflix spot where you and Bae can watch all your favorites on Netflix. 2 pillows, Netflix, big area. Stop! We have some great selection of water, keeping them all together so that they keep cool. And then, oh, who's that? Peppa, what are you doing in my Visco / 24-hour challenge? Chips, goldfish. I redecorated the place a little bit. I thought I'd make it more myself. And then we have some bananas. A lot of sweat, a lot of heat. Really feeling it. My tummy's out. I'm really warm, but that was my MTV crib. I'm dying. We've been in here for 4 hours. You can Okay, it just turned 4:30. You just saw that. Also, these lights won't turn off, and I need to figure that out. I think a door's open. I couldn't tell you, but like the sweat is just disgusting.
Tell me about doing it here.
I'm going crazy. Okay, basically my strategy is to just like not eat, not drink until like I really need it. Like if I feel like if I eat everything now, I won't have anything for later. And like that's okay for like me to have that strategy, but like Zoe keeps eating stuff and like we have to share and like I don't know. I'm really nervous. Someone just walked by.
Where? Oh, you got a dog.
Ow. There's a dog?
Oh my god, oh my god. I slammed my back on some bar.
Ouch.
Yeah, there's a little dog.
You might like have a soulmate, right?
Yeah.
Like in the world, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like what if everyone has a soulmate, but you don't find them and then the person you're with, you think it's your soulmate, but it's actually not?
It's like you're dating somebody else's soulmate. Or you're
Oh my
marrying
god.
somebody else's soulmate.
It's 5:59. Mother, dearest, brought out some dinner. She ran away, so I couldn't really film her, but we're gonna munch on this and watch some Twilight. Woo woo woo! I'm starting to get really claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Really like irritated.
And like there's no air.
Yeah, there's no air. And I've heard it's really bad to sit in a hot car.
What was it?
No. She's lost it. Guys, no, come on. I dipped my carrot in hummus. Tell me that doesn't look like Donald Trump. It looks like Donald Trump. You think? Like, look. You're fired!
Wow, I'm proud of you.
That's how I feel. Goodbye. We're sitting here, right? Eating our dinner, watching Twilight. We're about 3 minutes in. Why is she holding a cactus? Like, she moved into the new house with her dad, right? And she, like, won't let go of this cactus. Something to think about. Enjoy this clip of me eating goldfish like an actual monster. Couldn't put the audio in because we were watching Twilight and I didn't want to get copyrighted, but just imagine Bella making some weird constipated face or biting her lip. Where is it?
I don't know, I lost
There's a fly in here.
Oh, I found
6:58. We're at the 7-hour mark. 7 hours! I don't think you understand!
So, we're 8 hours and 30 minutes into this thing. A few minutes ago, the bananas were talking to me, and they were telling me, like, Georgia was talking shit about me earlier, about eating or something. Like, what did she do? Like, what did she do? Why does she have this obsession with Peppa? You know, anyways.
Peppa. I'm an acrobatic!
We don't give a fuck about no men. Georgia, look.
What?
It's a squirrel. He has like a big thing in his hands.
I love it when you call me Senorita. So I wish I didn't see ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Friends don't know the way you take. I can f***ing hear it.
Hear what?
The mosquito.
Oh, you f***ing can?
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. F***ing right there, Zoe.
Where?
Zoe, right there. I got it. So it's 9:22. Back here in the confession seat. It's definitely gone down in like temperature wise. Like, it's not as hot. It's still hot because there's two of us in like a tiny space. Going a little insane. Like, definitely feeling some effects of that. But like,
I killed him. Oh my god, I killed two. Oh wow, good job, Zoe.
she's talking to herself.
Oh my god, another one.
Zoe, there's not 3.
Yes, there is.
No,
Yeah.
there was 1.
Nope, because I just killed one.
You're not killing 4 mosquitoes right now.
I just killed them.
You're going. Yes. Got
Georgia,
one.
if you looked back here, you'd see them
Got
'cause
one.
they're going in the light.
Got one. Oh, seriously. It's 10:10. I feel so nauseous. Like I want to get out of this car. I'm claustrophobic. It's hot. And I'm really just not enjoying myself right now.
I am.
Ooh, wow. This time. I'm actually dying.
Are you? Are you actually?
Yeah.
Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? There you go.
You love the lost, you love the mine. Learn to live half a life. And now you want me one more time. Running around, leaving scars. We gotta do that part again. No, we gotta do that part again. It's like running around, leaving scars. You're gonna catch a cold. Okay, ready?
Yeah. No, I don't remember.
Running. What's it?
I'm confused now.
Running around. Wait, I'm not ready.
Scars.
Okay. Running around, leaving scars from the ice inside Edward's soul. Don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. It's so foggy in here. Ow! Let's have a dance party. A piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to get down, 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 down. Da 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 to get down, down, down. Ooh! Oh, so we're still gonna dance to copyrighted music. Cool, cool. No, that's great. Okay, it's time to go in the outside world. You ready? Okay, go. Oh my god, what are you doing? Dude, you're 12. We're at 13 seconds. 14. Anywhere, literally anywhere. Go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, you're at a minute. Let's go. Wait, there's something on the floor. No, just go. Get back in the car. It's dripping out.
Honestly, that's a highlight of my life.
A minute, 21 seconds. I gave us 2 minutes instead because that was kind of impossible. Zoe pees like a racehorse. Alright, see you later.
I'm running.
Find someone to love you better
wanna
than
be in my
I
feels.
do, darling, I know.
I know.
July.
Oh my god. What? Talking to who? That's nasty.
How? You're telling me you've never done this.
Yeah, I have never done that.
You're telling me you've never done that?
Never in my life.
Try it.
No.
You're psycho.
I don't like that.
I don't like you.
It has no flavor.
Yeah, yo. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
That's why it has no flavor. You.
No but I'm not going to put that on.
Can I play with these little things?
What do you mean play with them?
Play.
No.
You know what's kind of funny? So you saw that we just went pee. Well, I went pee. And I didn't even get to finish.
How do you think boys feel? 2019, Zoe Brother, GeorgiaYork, performing. Why are you so obsessed with me?
Why are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Why you so obsessed with me?
I messed up.
Why are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me and everybody knows. We eating good. I'm a fat man.
Sorry. TFG. I'm a black man.
Maybe.
You ain't
can I have back my baby?
So, Georgia's decided to have a nap because we're just, like, trying to stay up for, like, a long time. And I just couldn't take it in there anymore, so, like, I decided to come outside. I'm sorry about it, but I cannot last 24 hours in that car. And it's just not happening. It is 2:21. We had to get out of there. We were in there for 12 hours. I think that's enough. It was definitely one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. I'm over it. Go to my Amino account. It would mean the world if you guys followed me on there. It would mean the world if you commented and liked my first post. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment any other 24-hour challenge videos you guys want me to try.
Ew, oh my god, it looks so ratchet.
I've never been more sweaty in my life, and it's disgusting, and I need to go to bed. Alright guys, love you so much. Thank you so much for watching.
Woohoo!
Love you.